Hi, Catherine Davis. One of the questions I get asked is, what is the difference between a coach and a therapist? And some people get quite bemused by it all, really. The only way I can answer that is that I'm trained in both, and I can only comment on the way I was taught to coach and how I do therapy. So when I was coaching, it was based on people coming to us for a common need, and then it was set out in an 8-week program. It was sold to the client as an 8-week program, and we started off in week 1 with introductions and the overall what was going to happen in the program, and then from there we would give our clients what we thought they needed as they went through the 8-week program. Of course, there was opportunities for them to ask questions and things, but it was mainly organised around what was going, I would determine what was going to happen each week. And of course other coaches are working totally different, I understand that, but I am just telling you this is how I work differently between coaching and therapy. Therapy, on the other hand, is totally different. It comes, the way I work, the way I've been trained, is that I come from the client's perspective at all times. They come to me, they tell me what the issue is, and from there they basically guide me as to where they want to go, what their issue is, what they want to solve, and from there it's all about the client. I don't guess, I don't presume, I go with where they take me, and that can lead us to some really interesting places actually, but it's all about the client. So when the client comes in, I ask, what is the problem, what is the issue, what would you like to work on today, and from there we continue as the client wishes, as the client shows, as the client indicates what it is that they want to work on. See you in the next video.